Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Easy. Today we'll be cooking đuôi bò kho với lòng bò. Okay guys, so my ingredients here is I have some potatoes. I got 2 potatoes, 2 carrots, some fresh lemongrass, some Thai basil, some culantro, aka sawtooth herb. I got some paprika, some Bo Kho seasoning, red Thai chilies, some ketchup, some oxtail, some beef tripe, some garlic, and star anise. Okay, all right, let's assemble this. Okay guys, here I have my tripe. What I did with it is I washed it in cold water with a lot of salt. Okay, I rubbed a lot of salt in it, then I washed it. Now I got a pot with boiling water here. Now I'm gonna throw my tripe in there and cook it for 30 minutes. Okay. All right. $30 and then we'll take it out and then we'll slice it. Okay guys, now we're gonna marinate the oxtail. Okay, what I did already with the oxtail, I've already washed it 3 times heavily with salt. The salt will get all the gramminess and all the sliminess off the meat. I rinsed it and I washed it. Now I'm gonna season. Okay, first thing I add is salt. Okay, get it nice and cool up in there. Okay, then I add some black pepper. Okay. Add some paprika. And some of that Bo Kho seasoning, okay? Check it out. Okay? And I want to give about 2 tablespoons of Bo Kho seasoning, okay? 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of chopped lemongrass, okay? That's it guys. Then just mix it up. Okay. And now I'm gonna put this into the fridge overnight, okay guys? Just overnight. Okay guys, so earlier I forgot to put some sugar, so I put like about half a tablespoon of sugar and about half teaspoon of MSG, okay, to the meat, okay guys? Okay guys, so look, after 30 minutes, I boiled it after 30 minutes, I sliced them up to about this size, okay? Kind of big, okay guys, because we're going to cook it in the pot for a long time. It's marinated now. Just a little bit of garlic, about a teaspoon of Bo Kho seasoning, some salt, don't salt it too much, a little bit black pepper, okay? Add just a little bit of oil in there. Okay, get it all mixed up. Into the fridge overnight too, okay? So here I have some lemongrass that I peeled. I removed the top part and then I smashed it, okay? You smash it so the flavor releases much easier, all right? Okay guys, so here I have my carrot and I have my channeler. What I did was I peeled the carrot already and then I have my channeler. All you do is you run it along the side of the carrot like that and it makes divots like that, okay guys? All right? Guys, look, after you use the channeler, just look how nice it looks, okay? You cut about this thickness, okay? Because you're making a stew, you want to cut the carrots a little bit thick, right? So it doesn't break apart when it's in the broth. Okay guys, so for the potatoes, I did the same thing. I channeled them and then I just cut them in smaller pieces, okay? And I washed them, okay? Should look at this. Just a little design. This is all for aesthetics reason, okay? Just to make your Bo Kho, look better than original, okay? Okay, so in the pot here I have some oil. I got some Bo Kho seasoning, okay? I got some ketchup. and I got some paprika, okay? What I'm doing here is I'm just rendering it so all the oils comes out and it'll give the broth a nice color, okay? Now add in your oxtail. Sear your oxtail, okay? So what you want to try to do now is you're trying to sear the meat so the meat shrinks a little bit, and then later we're going to be adding our coconut water, okay? Medium high, okay guys? Okay, now we're going to add the coconut water, okay guys? Coconut water. Okay, 1.5 cups of coconut water. Okay. Just to cover it. Okay, that's good. Make sure all the meat is submerged in the thing. We're gonna bring it up to a boil and then we're gonna add water. Okay, we just want the meat to be tenderized in that coconut juice right now. That's it first. Okay. Throw in your star anise, about 5 cloves. Throw in your lemongrass heads. Okay. Close it, bring it to a boil. Okay. Okay guys, once it comes to a boil like this, now you add your water, okay? You want to add a lot of water because it's going to be reducing it for a long time, right? It's a lot of water. It's going to fill it almost all the way to the top. Boil, and then we're going to cover it. Bring it to a boil, cover it, and then we're gonna cook it on low heat for 2 to 3 hours, okay? Okay guys, once it starts to almost boil, start skimming off the impurities, okay? All this foam. So once it gets to a boil like this, guys, you guys skim off all the impurities, cover it, and reduce the heat till about number 3, okay? Reduce the heat to number 3, and then we're gonna cook this for about 1.5 hours, and then we're gonna add our tripe in, okay? So I've been reducing it for about 1.5 hours now. So now we're gonna add in our tripe, okay? Add in the tripe. Look how much water did we lost, okay? We're gonna have to add more water to the stock, okay? So I added my tripe. On my tripe. Add some more water, guys, because look how much liquid we lost, right? Okay. Add more water, okay, and then cover it and reduce it for another 1.5 hours, okay? Another 1.5 hours, and then we're gonna add in our potatoes and carrots. Hey guys, now we're gonna make the dipping sauce, okay? A very simple dipping sauce. I'm gonna need some coarse salt. Okay, that's about 2 tablespoons. About a tablespoon of sugar. Okay. 5 pieces of chilies. And now we're gonna muddle it, okay? Muddle this, okay? Okay, after you muddle it, this is what it should look like, okay? And then later, we're just gonna scoop it out into individual dipping plates, and then we're gonna add lime to it, okay? So the ingredients in here is salt, sugar, and chili peppers, okay? Okay, here I got some annatto seeds and some oil, okay? This is for extra coloring, okay? I found that my broth is not red enough, so I did this to add more color to it, okay? Guys, now I want to add some of that annatto seed oil to the broth so it gives it that nice color, okay? Okay. Ooh, watch. It's gonna give it a nice color. Alright, let's cover it and let it gonna start seasoning the pot now too. Now I want to add some salt, okay? Some salt, about 1 tablespoon, okay guys? 1 tablespoon. So now we've been boiling it for about 2.5 hours. It's time to add in your potatoes and carrots, okay guys? Okay guys, so I've added the potatoes and carrots, okay? We're gonna cook them for about another 15-20 minutes and turn off the heat, okay? Look at that, look how crazy it looks, yo. Oxtail, tripe. Here we have the finished product. This is how I plated it up. Served with some hot Vietnamese baguette. Your sauce, your dipping sauce is chili salt, okay? With lime, alright? Doesn't that look beautiful, guys? Oxtail, man. Fall off the bone, okay? With some tripe in there. You guys see some tripe, some tails, carrots, alright? Shit's juicy!